we've been like absent for the past weeks. Ruth and I have been arguing and ill, so yeah. But anyway, welcome back to Iyayiskitchen, and on today's episode we're gonna make French toast. But in 3 different variations or 4 different variations. We haven't yet decided yet, but we'll just keep on going. We'll see as we go along.
3 different variations.
Alright, Ruth. Yeah. First off, I'm gonna make plain French cinnamon toast with banana flambe. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right.
In a bowl, you want to crack some eggs, put some whole milk, double cream, cinnamon, vanilla, sugar, and salt to taste. Mix this until it is properly combined and then set aside. You now want to get your bread. In this recipe, we used a brioche because it's a nice sweet bread. Cut your brioche thick enough so that it's able to soak up your custard. At this point, you also want to heat up your pan so that it's nice and hot by the time we start frying.
But not so hot though, just like medium heat.
Yeah. Now you want to set up a line. You have your bread, your custard, and some butter. Put your butter into the frying pan so that it's nice and melted. And then dunk your bread into your custard on both sides. Dunk both sides of your bread into the custard so that it soaks up that custard properly. Now fry. Fry on each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it is golden brown. Once you're done frying, you then want to put in a plate and move on to
the next step. Right, the next step is to make banana flambe. So we're gonna start out with a caramel base. So you wanna get some sugar and throw that into your pan. Then get a dash of water, literally just a dash of water. Add that into the sugar, and then you start to see the sugar, literally have it on low heat, and then you start to see the sugar and water combine, get brown. Don't let it burn, keep on stirring the pan around, and then when it's all nicely combined together, add in some butter, mix it together, and then at this point you want to add in your banana, and then you add in your rum, and then you add in the best part, the fire. Yes, get that blowtorch, or if you have matchstick you can use that as well. Just like light up that pan, and then this process literally just cooks out the alcohol, and then the fire goes out, and that is pretty much it. Make sure like your sauce is well combined with the banana, and yeah, plate that up with your French toast.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah. Alright, let's try these.
I want to try the bananas.
This place is in the French. Yeah, it's actually really good. I do love this.
Fine, the caramel is in your head.
My head's hungry, so let's eat.
This is worth trying, guys.
Second up, Ruth will be making Lotus French toast with a cornflakes crust. Now for our cornflakes crusted French toast, we're going to use the same custard mixture as we use for our banana flambe. Yeah. Get some butter in your pan on low heat. Then get your bread and dip it in the batter on both sides. Coat in your cornflakes on both sides and then fry off. You want to get this going for about 3 minutes on both sides. Repeat this process for however much French toast you want to make. And then when this is ready, place the toast on a kitchen towel just to absorb any excess oil. And then now it's time to plate. Now to show you how we're going to plate this, that is Lotus. So you want to warm up some of the Lotus spread in the microwave for like 1 minute, just to like make it 30 seconds, I mean, just to make it easy to move around the plate. And then you just drizzle that spread around your French toast. Crush up some Biscoff biscuits around the plate. And next up, if you fancy, just for plating, because I hate whipped cream, squirt on some whipped cream on there, or if you like, ice cream. And then next off, you put some nice mint leaves to make the plate look pretty, because no one in their right mind just starts chewing mint leaves on food. But yeah, there you have it. Lotus Biscoff crunchy cornflakes French toast.
Lotus Biscoff cornflakes crusted French toast. Also, if you like whipped cream, please leave us a comment below and tell us which you prefer, whipped cream or ice cream.
Ice cream.
So this is our cornflakes crusted Lotus French toast, and I have to say, it looks yum. Taste it!
Love this.
That cornflakes gives it a really nice crunch. I absolutely love it. Worth the try, guys. Worth the try. So for another variation of French toast, we're making a savory French toast. Now, I've never had a savory French toast before.
Never tried it before.
Okay, Esther. But I've come up with a fantastic recipe that I believe that Esther, you're interrupting me. That I believe that you all would enjoy. Don't knock it till you try it, guys. Here we go. In a bowl, you want to crack some eggs, put some milk, some mozzarella, salt, black pepper, dried chives, and garlic powder. Put these to your preference. Mix properly, mixy, and set aside. For these savory French toast, we're going to be using white farmhouse bread. I don't like to use the back of the bread. I prefer to use the middle just because it's just my preference. I cut my bread nice and thick to be able so that it soaks up the egg mixture properly. Now you know the drill, baby. Time to fry. We put our butter in our frying pan. While that's going on, we dunk our bread both sides into the egg mixture. Put that in the frying pan. Fry on both sides for 2 to 3 minutes until it's golden brown. Transfer from your frying pan into the plate. Plating time.
Lesson time.
Now we're going to be using a slice of goat cheese to plate our savory French toast. Get your goat cheese and put that on top of your French toast. If you have a top grill, you want to put that in for about 3 minutes. If not, get a blowtorch. Get out your trusty blowtorch and let it do its thing for about 3 to 4 minutes. You want your goat cheese to be nice and melted and also brown on top. Garnish with some dried chives, basil, and some sun-dried tomatoes. And voila! Now it's time to taste the final product.
How do you say final product?
Mister, please, just please. It's actually really, really good.
Does it slap?
For me, it slaps.
Does it bang?
It bangs. There you go.
Thanks. Can you slice halfway, please?
I had the whole thing. Come on, let me do it.
Thanks. Time's good.
I already put some for you.
Yeah, this is too big now. Thanks. I'm gonna face the back so I can give my honest review and like turn around. I'm joking.
What do you think? It's good. Is this something you order in a restaurant? Chewing. To
be fair, it tastes like pizza.
Okay.
It has a pizza taste to it.
So you like?
Yeah, it's alright.
I told you, I got you, girl.
Right, so this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see us make some stuffed French toast, stay tuned. We'll be dropping that video either this week or next week. We'll definitely stay tuned and like, share, comment,
subscribe.
Yes.
Tell your friends to subscribe. Bye.